In the previous videos, we implemented the panels and beams nodes. In this video, we will implement the colors node. When we look inside the current node, we can see that it is empty. We need to get the panels and beams from the model. Let's have a look at the attribute names. For panels, the attribute name is panel. For beams, we have two types. For the arc beams, the attribute name is arc beam. For the stringer beams, the attribute name is stringer beam. In the colors node, we need to get the entities from the model with these attributes. However, the only thing we will be doing is setting the color. So we don't really need to create separate variables for these entities. Instead, we will place the expression to get the entities in the parameter inputs for the visualize function. Let's start with panels. We get all polygons in the model where the attribute name has a value panel. For now, let's make the panels red. Then we can clearly see if it is working or not. Yes, it works. Let's change it to a more subtle color. We will copy this line of code 2 more times. Once for each type of beam. We will set some different colors. Now we can see the 3 colors. When we go back to the flowchart, we can click on each of the nodes, and see the output that gets generated. The skeleton, the panels, the beams, and the panels and beams together, with colors. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.